Welcome back. This is round one action in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are Great Start Academy on 4 and Mona Prep on 9. It's now time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. Face-Off 1 is in the category of mathematics. It's between the captain of Great Start Academy, Captain Amari Bent, is up against Khalil Bartlett of Mona Prep. Captain Amari, we begin with you. 27 of 60 students in a class are girls. What percentage of the students are boys? Time's up. Khalil, want to try?
Yes, please, 30%.
That's incorrect. It's 55%. Captain, $630 is shared in the ratio 2 to 5. What's the larger share? Question passes. Khalil, want to try?
Yes, please, $450.
That is correct. Captain, what's the sum of 98.8 and 125.6?
$224.4.
That is correct. How many 10-gram weights are there in 3.5 kilograms?
$350,000 grams.
That's incorrect. Khalil, want to try?
Yes, please, 350 grams.
Judges, is the unit? That is incorrect. We were looking for 350. Captain, if 5 rubber bands cost $17.50, what's the cost for 7 of the same rubber bands?
$24.05.
That's incorrect. Khalil, want to try?
Yes, please, $24.50.
$24.50 is correct. Khalil, we're now over to you. 12 of 30 students in a class are girls. What percentage of students are boys?
$60%.
That is correct. Khalil, $960 is shared in the ratio 9 to 3. What's the larger share?
$720.
That's right. What's the sum of 115.9 and 89.7?
206.6.
That's incorrect. Captain, want to try?
Yes, please, 205.6.
That is correct. Khalil, what is 7 millimeters as a decimal of 1 centimeter?
0.7 centimeters.
That's right. If 7 bars of chocolate cost $84.28, what's the cost of 2 of the same chocolate bars?
$24.08.
That is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of science. It's between Jada Brown of Great Start Academy, who is up against the captain of Mona Prep, Captain Zachary Thomas. Jada, what's the name of the liquid produced in the human kidney and stored in the bladder?
Urine.
That's right. Complete this statement with the correct word. The substance in the human skin that protects it from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun is called?
Melanin.
That's correct. What's the name for the layer of light-sensitive cells at the back of the human eye?
Retina.
That's right. Which organ produces urea?
Kidneys.
That's incorrect. Captain, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's the liver. Jada, a chronic lack of which vitamin can result in night blindness?
Vitamin A.
That is correct. Captain, we're now over to you. Which organ of the human body excretes sweat?
The skin.
That's right. Complete this statement with the correct word. Some animals can change the color of their skin in order to hide themselves. This is called?
Camouflage.
That's correct. What's the name for the light-sensitive cells in the retina which are sensitive to dim light but not to colors?
Rods.
That's correct. What is one of the waste products of the lungs?
Carbon dioxide.
Or water vapor, that is correct. Poor blood clotting is a result from a serious lack of which vitamin?
Vitamin K.
That is correct, and that's also 5 of 5. And that brings us to our next face-off in the category of English languages between Zariel Vassal of Great Start Academy. Zariel is up against Jordan Elliott of Mona Prep. Zariel, without changing the tense, correct the error, if any, in this sentence. Each child are given money for lunch.
Or should be is.
That's right. What's the past participle of catch?
Caught.
That's right. Form an adjective from the verb to satisfy.
Satisfaction.
That's incorrect. Jordan, want to try? Jordan, want to try?
No thanks.
It's satisfactory. Zariel, identify the adverb in this sentence. My book could be found nowhere.
Nowhere.
That's correct. Spell rebellious.
Rebellious.
That is correct. Taking us now over to Jordan. Jordan, without changing the tense, correct the error, if any, in this sentence. Neither the book or the bag belongs to me.
Or should be nor.
That's right. What's the past participle of freeze?
Frozen.
That's incorrect. Zariel, want to try?
Yes, please. Froze.
I'm sorry. Actually, Jordan, that is correct. Jordan, form an adjective from the verb to select.
Selective.
Say again.
Selective.
Say it one more time.
Selective.
That is correct. Or selectable. Jordan, identify the adverb in this sentence. I seldom go to my friend's house.
Seldom.
That's right. Spell recognition.
Recognition.
That is correct, and that's 5 of 5. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of social studies. It's between Kaylee Edwards of Great Start Academy. Kaylee is up against Tori McLennan of Mona Prep. Kaylee, in which of these parishes in Jamaica is the farming and production of bananas most popular? Is it Westmoreland, St. Mary, or Kingston?
St. Mary.
That's right. In Jamaica, which parish is to the west of St. Catherine?
Clarendon.
That's correct. In which Caribbean country is rumba a popular music?
Trinidad and Tobago.
That's incorrect. Tori, want to try?
Yes, please. Cuba.
Cuba is correct. Kaylee, which word starting with M refers to a town, city, or district, or its governing body?
Mayor.
That's incorrect. Tori, want to try?
Yes, please. Municipality.
Or municipal, that is correct. Kaylee, a globe is a model of which planet?
Earth.
That's right. Tori, over to you. In which of these parishes in Jamaica is mining a major economic activity? Is it Portland, St. Thomas, or Manchester?
Manchester.
That's right. In Jamaica, which parish is to the west of St. Anne?
Trelawney.
That's correct. What's the popular folk dance in St. Lucia called? Time's up. Kaylee, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's the quadrille. Tori, which word starting with P refers to a parish?
Parochial.
That's correct. In what direction do lines of latitude run?
East to west.
That is correct. And that's the end of the final face-off and the end of section 2. Great Start Academy is on 17, while Mona Prep is on 29. Stay tuned. The final challenge will determine our winners right after this break.